Hello everybody. This tutorial is about how to renew the demanda de empleo, so the working request. Go to Google and then ask for Dardo, Dardo. Select Dardo SOC and then renovació de la demanda d'ocupació. Once here, you go directly to this option, and then in this page, in case your identification card is Spanish, then you have to select D, caps letter. Okay, if it's a resident number, then select E in caps letter. In this field, you should put the number, like it shows here, with the letters and numbers. Then when you get the confirmation from SOC, then you will have a PIN number. Could be letters or number. Put it here, okay, and then accept. And that's all. Then follow the steps that indicates on the following pages. If you have forgotten the PIN, then select this one. They will ask you for this detail as well, and then in case instead this one will ask you for the email, and they will send you a new one. And that's all. This is the way to renew the demand of work for the office. Good luck.